Hey, what's going on? So I just want to make a quick video because I'm seeing all these videos on IG and they're probably coming from TikTok because all the crazy stuff starts on TikTok. But it's just all these videos coming out that ChatGPT can write you algorithms for trading stocks and it's going to make you all sorts of money and stuff like that. Well, first of all, if it sounds too good to be true, guess what? It is. And as a software engineer and as an AI engineer, I'm going to show you what ChatGPT can do in terms of writing code and what it can't do. And I'm also going to show you that the stuff that ChatGPT spits out, it's not even going to run as code, first of all, unless you make significant changes to it. But even still, I'm also going to show you that even if you did have it working, like the code working, you wouldn't want to use it anyways because it's just super basic stuff, right? So, and it's just it's what it is. It's not going to make you any money. So, write me Python code for trading stocks. Okay, they're using the Y Finance library, so that's Yahoo Finance. Download price history for Tesla, print it out to the console. Okay, they're going to calculate a 50 and a 200-day moving average, so this is going to be a moving average cross, I would probably guess. Okay, they're plotting it out, so we're going to see a graph of this. Okay, so I can already tell that this is not a stock trading algorithm. All this is going to do is it's going to download Tesla's stock history, calculate a 50-day and a 200-day simple moving average, and then print those out on a graph. So I'll show you this. And actually, I don't even think that this is going to work because just the import statement doesn't look correct. Okay, so there you go. That's number one. So this is going to happen a lot with ChatGPT. I'll run it one more time. But as it spits out Python code, it is not runnable code because there's always going to be something wrong with it. But I'm going to fix this just to show you, even if it did run, it still won't work. Like it's not an algorithm for trading stocks. It's just all it is just plotting data, right? Sometimes it'll give you an actual algorithm, but even still, it will not work. So let's import pandas as PD, and I'll say pd.read CSV, and I think I called it stockdata.csv, and then we'll just print stock. So first of all, I'm going to move this down just so we can see that this is working correctly. Pop, print stock. Okay, so this is the closing price for Google. And actually, I don't even need that print statement because it's a data frame. There we go. So this is the closing price of Google for the last 5 years. So we're going to do that same exact thing that it spit out here. And we'll just see. So this is going to be, so we need to change this. This needs to be stock close. Okay, what is, it's not a hashable key. Why isn't, it should be, that should be fine. Stock. Well, we don't even need this. Yeah. This is arbitrary. It's just assigning. You don't even need that. Incorrect. So stock. And then even still, we're gonna have NAs in this. So yeah. So you again, the data isn't clean yet. And then I'm going to say stock. There we go. Okay, so I fixed the code. There you go. And even still, as you can see, we don't need to print this out. As you can see, that's all it's doing. It's just plotting the stock, right, and the moving averages. So that's not a trading algorithm. That's literally just graphing data. You can get this on Yahoo Finance. So there's that, and I don't know. Let's try it again, but certainly. Oh, you're so positive. Here you go again. All right, let's hold on. Let's give it a better prompt because this is. Oh, look at you printing stuff out more. Give me a stock trading algorithm that will, in Python, that will make me millions of dollars. You can't? Well, you don't seem like a very good financial advisor. I don't trust you anymore because you're not going to make me millions of dollars. Why? I don't understand. You gave me Python code before. Now you're being negative. Hold on. That will generate a lot of money. See, I think that the engineer I think they've already pushed up code to fix this because they probably saw people were searching for this a lot, and they're probably like, oh shit, we have to stop this. So these, I bet you're gonna get these responses more and more. So give me a stock trading algorithm in Python that will generate alpha. How about that? Has nothing to do with money. Yes. Okay. Okay. Let's make some money, ChatGPT. All right. Okay, I can already tell this isn't going to run correctly. Oh, rebalance portfolio. Okay, assigning the weights. So this is a very Quantopian-esque algorithm. Yes, I've seen this type of structure with Quantopian. So weights. Oh, you're building a backtesting algorithm. This is one of the best ones that I've seen so far. But still, this will not run as is. Calculate the annualized return. Okay. Run the backtest. Okay. This is just a simple example. See, they tell you right there that this is by itself is bullshit. There's so much more that goes into algorithmic trading than this. So again, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. So let's delete this. And I'm just going to copy and paste it and see if it works. Oh, look at that. I threw an error. So look, again, what is going on here? So why is it spitting out Python code, right? That looks correct, right? There's import statements, you've got lists, you've got indentation, function definitions and stuff. So there's a lot of stuff that's right about this. Like that's how you create a comment, right? In Python. This is how you define a function in Python, right? This is all valid. But where ChatGPT can't do stuff is it doesn't understand how the Python interpreter works. And it doesn't understand if what you're asking it to do will actually work. And that's from a functioning code standpoint, like will the code run? And then even if you get the code running, there's no guarantee that what it produced for you will actually generate you alpha or return because it has no sense of ground truth. Right? And that's the problem with all language algorithms is that it can spit out a lot of stuff that like the sentences like will kind of make sense. But if you really read it, you'd be like, wow, this is not saying anything. It's not telling me anything, right? And you can ask it to generate a story and you read the story and it's like, oh, that kind of makes sense. But there's no like plot twist. There's no characters. Like it's not like a person writing it, you know? And it's the same thing for software. I mean, yeah, this looks like good Python code, but we just saw that it ain't. So if you want to have great algorithmic software and stuff, this is where you go for that. You go to Sinvestable, and there's AI on here that's actually fairly accurate for 40 to 70% of the entire market every single month. And if you look at Tesla here, look at how that prediction went this month. We predicted it to move from $174 on December 7th down to about $130, and it's gone even lower than that right now. So the downtrend was predicted correctly. So there's some stuff that AI can do, and even this type of AI, it's not accurate 100% of the time. It's accurate the majority of the time, and it gives you opportunities to make entries and opportunities to make exits, right? But trusting something alone by itself in a vacuum is crazy, and you want to incorporate it with other stuff and other type of analysis. There's no silver bullet for stock trading unless you're spending years and years and years and years finding something and then not giving it to anybody, because you're the only one that has it. So this is a general way for people to understand momentum and trends and acceleration and drift and all that stuff. This is taking in all that consideration for you. But it's not algorithmic trading, right? You still have to make your own decisions with this. That's about as good as it gets with AI for stock trading, is discretionary trading augmented by AI. So hope you enjoyed this video. I've been doing this for a long time, and I just wanted to help you guys out to avoid buying shit that is going to either lose you money or not really do anything that you thought it would. So careful on there. Don't get your software advice from Instagram.